I've been a member since 1956, and I'm just really proud of the credit union and that I can be a member this long. I like it here. It's better. The credit union started in '56, and I remember him coming home talking about it and saying what an important step this was, because people could have their money closer to them, and people that were smaller unit, could have better control. And he opened an account for my mother, of course himself, and my mother, and my brother, and me. I remember in the early days, my mom would take me and my little brother, and we would go up to the university, and in the annex building was where the credit union started. And we would meet with Dr. Cutler, who was I don't know if he was the president or what, but he was the head guy. And he knew us by name, and I grew up and went to high school and college, and I had a full tuition scholarship to be a school teacher, and I decided no, I wanted to be a nurse. I talked like a Dutch uncle and finally got into the nurse's aide class that the University Hospital was teaching that summer, or going to teach. So she let me in, and I just loved every minute of it. I thrived on it. So then I had to get a job. My mother went there, my father went there, he taught there. I went there, my brother went there for a couple of years. I just think the University of Utah is wonderful. I remember when my dad died, President Alpin was the president of the university then, and they had a big flagpole in the center of the circle. And I remember the flag was dropped to half-mast or whatever they call it for a few days, and Mom and Elliot and I went up and saw it. And I'll never forget that. I just thought that was a great honor. Because when I was going, the biggest building was the Union Building. And there was basically nothing between the Union Building and the golf course. And it was big, and the golf course went clear to the University Hospital. Well, gosh, now there's buildings, and the golf course is just shrinking down as they build new things. I'm just proud to be one of the original members, and I'm proud of it. And I've always had very good service and care. Nothing has ever been wrong with my statements. And I like the people. And as I graduated and started, I needed a car. I got a loan for my car, and then I got 2 sewing machines through the credit union. And then eventually, over the years, in fact, I came to this branch, the East Center, and they refinanced my house and got me from 9% interest down to just minimal. So I got it paid off a lot faster. And I like that there's places all over the valley, because I can go different places, up on Highland Drive or out in West Jordan. Or, there's credit unions all over, which is nice. It's gotten bigger and better. I think there's still a personal touch here, but a lot better than a big bank. It's bigger, and their services are more. I remember when they didn't loan for cars, and when they didn't loan for houses. Gosh, now they do all that. My name's Marilyn Ma, and I've been a member since 1956. And when I go into the branches and I give them my account number, oh, come on, there's got to be more numbers than that. And I said, no, that's my number. Are you sure? And I say, yes, look it up. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen one this old.